In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the focused inbox feature in the Outlook app. The focused inbox can be helpful for sorting your emails by priority, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. So if you prefer to see all your messages in one unified list without the automatic sorting, stick around because we're going to go through this process together step by step. First, let's start by launching the Outlook app on your desktop. Go ahead and find that familiar icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and give it a click to open it up. Once the app is running and you're on the home screen, the next thing we'll want to do is access the settings menu. You'll find this option on the top right hand corner of the screen. It looks like a small gear icon, so click on that to enter your settings. Now that the settings panel is open, our next step is to focus on the section related to your email. Within this settings menu, find the option labeled Mail and select it. This will take you into the area where you can customize various features related to your email experience. Once you're in the mail settings, our next move is to look at the layout settings. These settings control how everything looks and how your inbox is organized. Click on the option that says Layout to proceed. This will bring up a new set of options specifically tailored to how your mail is displayed and managed. Now we're almost there. Within the layout settings, there is a specific feature we want to adjust. You should see an option related to how your messages are sorted, often listed as focused inbox settings. Look for the selection titled Don't Sort My Messages. This option will allow you to view your emails in the order they arrive, instead of having Outlook attempt to prioritize them for you. Select this option to disable the focused inbox feature and revert to a classic single stream inbox display. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've now successfully disabled the focused inbox in Outlook on your desktop. This change will allow you to see all your messages together, making sure nothing is accidentally hidden or overlooked based on the app's sorting algorithm. Remember, you can always return to these settings if you decide to enable the focused inbox feature again in the future. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one. Have a great day and enjoy your streamlined Outlook experience.